Today we are going to solve the first exercise of chapter number 7 of class 9th Maths NCERT textbook, that is triangles. So the first question of the exercise is, in quadrilateral ABCD, AC is equal to BD. AC is equal to BD and AB bisects angle A. AB bisects angle A. Show that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ABD. We have to show that ABC is congruent to ABD. What can you say about BC and BD? That also we have to tell them. So first we will start with given. Given is, in quadrilateral ABCD, AC is equal to AD and AB bisects angle A. We are given with this. Then we have to prove. What we have to prove? Triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ABD. This we have to prove. So let's start with the proof. So first we will take triangle ABC and ABD. So in triangle ABC and triangle ABD, these two triangles we have to prove congruent. There we know AC is equal to AD. It is already given. So angle BAC is equal to angle BAD. BAC is equal to BAD. Why? Because AB bisects angle A. So can we write down angle BAC is equal to angle BAD? So therefore AB is equal to AB. AB is common in both. So common. So therefore triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ABD. How? By SAS, criterion of congruence, right? Angle SAS, side angle side, side angle side, side angle and side, this way. So thus BC is equal to BD. This is the congruent parts of the congruent triangles. If you want, you can write down congruent parts of congruent triangles. Now second one. Second one is ABCD is a quadrilateral in which AD is equal to BC. Right? So this is a quadrilateral . A, B, C, D. Here AD is equal to BC and DAB is equal to CBA. We have to prove. What we have to prove? And triangle ABD is congruent to triangle BAC. Second, BD is equal to AC and angle ABD, here it is B and D, and angle ABD is equal to angle BAC. So first we will start with the solution, that is in triangle ABD and triangle ABC. This we have to prove it. So AD is equal to BC. It is already given. Then angle DAB is equal to angle CBA. It is also given. And AB is equal to AB. In both of these, AB is common. So we will write down common. Now first one. In first one we have to prove triangle ABD is congruent to triangle BAC. This we have to prove. So this is proved. How we can prove it? Based on this. We can prove it by SAS criteria of congruence. That is, in triangle DAB, side angle side, and CBA, side angle and side. So by this way we can prove it. Second thing we have to prove is AB, that is BD is equal to AC. It is also proved. BD is equal to AC. How? Congruent parts of congruent triangles. This I have already told you in the introduction part. And third is angle ABD is equal to angle BAC. That is also congruent parts of congruent triangles, right? ABD is equal to BAC, congruent parts of congruent triangles. So these are our three proofs that we have to prove it. Now the third one. Third one is AD and BC are equal perpendiculars to a line segment AB. AD and BC, they are the equal perpendiculars to a line segment AB. Show that CD bisects AB. We have to show. So how we will take? In triangle BOC and triangle AOD, angle OBC will be equal to OAD, right? OBC equal to OAD. Why? Each 90 degree. It is already given. Now, angle BOC is equal to AOD. BOC is equal to AOD. Why? Vertically opposite angles. Then BC is equal to AD. It is already given. So therefore triangle BOC is congruent to triangle AOD by AAS criteria of congruency, right? BOC is congruent to AOD. AAS, angle, side, angle and side. Here OB is equal to OA and OC is equal to OD, right? OB is equal to OA, OC is equal to OD. Why? Congruent parts of congruent triangles. So it implies that O is the midpoint of line segment AB and CD. It implies O is the line segment, O is the midpoint, O is the midpoint of line segment A, B and CD. So we have to prove that CD bisects AB. So O is the midpoint. Here only a line segment is drawn, that is AB and CD.